This is a Bible scripture for today. 1 Corinthians 13 verses 13. And now abide faith, hope, love, these three. But the greatest of these is love. That is 1 Corinthians 13:13. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new or returning, I am Ericka. A lovely welcome. I know you see this. Crochet braids where? Right here on my head. I don't know if it's this lighten, like this lighten is hitting. It's, believe it, it's crochet braids. I'm just going to show you up front. This is the hair that I use. This is the Kima Ripple Deep and it is in the color 33. It's 20 inches and it's Harlem 125 where style begins. When I saw the color, I'm like, I don't want to try it. And I only had 3 packs and I was like, you know, I'm going to try it because it's something different. I'm feeling it. I mean, I don't know what y'all are going to think about it, but I'm feeling it. But I did have some strugglation though when it came to installing this hair, and throughout the video I will explain that to you guys. But I just wanted to, you know, give a quick little intro and show you guys this hair. Like, yeah, I'm smiling ear to ear because I really like this hair. I really do. And the texture of it, I know if you've been following me for a while, you know I have tried this hair before, the Kima braid, but I did try it in like, I think it was like a color number 2 or color number 1B, so very similar to my natural hair texture and the color as well. But this is just, it's the lighten for me. It's lovely. I like it because it's not too full, so I could do it up if I wanted to. So if I wanted to, absolutely, like you can see, I can do like a little updo here and we would be good. Because the back, I made sure that I packed it in at the back so that I could have a bit of versatility because I do want to keep this hair in for a while. Now let's talk about my hair growth. Girl, are y'all seeing these inches? You've come a long way, no pun intended, but it just goes to show how God can honestly take your situation regardless of what it is and make it into something beautiful. Because y'all know, if you've been journeying with me for a while, you do know that one of the things was that I wanted my natural hair to grow, and I had some really negative feedbacks regarding my own hair when I was trying that process. And now looking over it from where I started into where I am right now, I have to give God glory and I have to give him thanks. These protective styles really and truly, they do grow my hair immensely, as you can see, and so I'm not sure as to how much longer I will be continuing doing these crochet hair. I hope that this will be an encouragement while I'm doing a hair video to let you know, just be patient, give it to God, take your time, and God can literally make beauty out of anything as long as you give it to him. My hair has grown immensely. This is my braiding pattern. As you can see, it is half. I parted the hair half from ear to ear, both ends, and I have about 14 braids going, so from ear to ear, so midway back, and then I braid those back and then I intertwine those cornrows, forming a spiral at the back, and the tail end of the cornrows I have gone in and interlocked it.
As you can see, it forms one jumbo braid at the back there, and I'm just getting that tail end and I am intertwining it into the spiral at the back. I pray for my homies out there. This is the rosemary strengthening oil. I know you guys have probably seen this before, and I'm just using it and oiling my scalp. Of course, this is the hair. It is the Kima Ripple Deep in the color 33, and it is 20 inches long. Of course, this is what it looks like out of the pack, and the hair has already come pre-separated, but those clusters are too big. Y'all know what I like to do around these parts. I like to separate the hair, and I've separated it 3 times. Because I would like for that versatility, this is how I install it at the perimeter at the back here. So I'm just getting the latch hook, placing it diagonally downward toward my ear, and then I am getting a piece of the crochet hair, placing it onto the latch hook and pulling it through, getting the loop, my pointer finger and my thumb, and I am getting one end of the crochet hair, and that is how I do the invisible knot method. Now, this is what one pack looks like, and at the back, that is where I installed the one pack, and I did not cut the back portion of the hair. However, for the remainder of the hair, I did go ahead and I cut it, and I did feather it, and so this is how the final results as to how I was able to achieve the layered effect. This is how the hair looks. So maybe it's about 3 or 4 days later. It still looks full. It has clumped together somewhat more, as you can see here. So those clumps are just formulated back perfectly. It's full, but it's not overly packed in, right? So I think 3 packs for me. Not regretting the fact that I used only 3 packs. The back still looks flawless. I'm noticing a bit of frizz, somewhat, actually, not overly frizzy. But if I do notice any frizz, I will definitely go in and just take the scissors and trim those bits away, sort of like this. And I'll just do like the up and down motion where I'm like closing the scissors as I go up and down, so that way it's not like a blunt cut. Yeah, so like that. I still like the color. I still like the install. What I wish I had was a color 27 or a color 30 and sort of go through it and give a little bit of highlights. I think if I install this hair again, or if I install another color number 33,
God willing, I might do that. I can do it up if I wanted to. I have a bit of parting options as well. So it is versatile, check. And I like it. It's, again, it's not overly full, right? It's honestly, it's lightweight, it's flowy, it's movable. It's not a big, right? It just looks lovely. And I think this would honestly be a perfect install for like a perfect color for like the Christmas season. Right, and I think I did it justice when I cut, you guys saw that I did that when I had cut the hair, like I think the last 2 packs. So it's just 1 pack really that I installed at the back to give it this layering effect. And then I cut the 2 packs and I installed it from a little bit at the back here, maybe the spiral, 2 braids on the spiral, like 2 of the braids on the spiral, the rest from here to connect with that bit. This is good. I think it's good. It's not full, it's lovely. But let me know in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate it. I could do it like so, or I could wear a hat like that. If you enjoy videos like these, please do not forget to comment, like, and share, and subscribe for my next upload. God willing, you will stop by. Until then, take care. Bye. Bye for now.